niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
Hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from the SILG John B. Crimolia, transfer. Ano gusto niyo ma'am? Basahin mo pa to?
Yes, yung patient.
Kakapasok lang na balita. Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, CIDG, Director, Police Brigadier General Nicolas Torre, ay nakitang nakikipag-usap kay Vice President Sara Duterte bago ang paglipat ng OVP Chief of Staff na si Ate Zuleika Lopez sa Veterans Memorial Medical Center ngayong hapon. Binasa rin ni Torre ang standing order mula sa House of Representatives kay Ate Lopez.
Ayaw mo talaga. Ayaw mo yung ambulance yun. Deadline.
Decide siya on her own. Pwede mo kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano na?
Pasukin ng general yung cameras.
Gusto mo? Palapitin ng mga media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Okay, double time, double time.
Ding! I-release mo media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang nagsabi.
Ayaw ng hospital. Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita ng
Hanggang lang, para
camera.
makita ng camera.
Sige mo.
I-clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera.
Veterans yan.
Where is it?
Considering that as requested, attorneys Zuleika Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared in the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City.
Sino kasama ko doon?
Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Rimulya. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILG Rimulya,
yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from the SILG John B. Crimolia, transfer of Attorney Zuleika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full visitation rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG John B. Crimolia. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't need your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Andito, maraming witness, Andito naman si, sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag sila
VP.
sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po kayo.
Sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center. Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Padaan mo na, padaan na. Padaan na. Ay, alala yun dyan.
Si VP, baka ma'am. Paano, ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Gold.
Salamat,
Wala. Dito. Bagay yun na eh. Nakalhook na. Thank you.